Here's my Zimba. Mazura Zimba. Nyadza ndodzwa pana badzinodhakisa. Ah. My God. I don't know kuti ndite angry here kana kuti ndiseke kana ndingoregedza zvakadaro. Guys, this is ridiculous. Hold on. Mirai pani munhu arikunoka. Ndati ndivhare kaposi pana zvinozosara. Hi, I'm doing a live. My phone is not in here. Okay, no, I locked the door because I thought I was You guys, I have to talk to you about Tatelicious. I have to speak about it. I'm sorry, I have to speak about Tatelicious. Sha, you guys, and this video somewhere, I have to speak about Tatelicious. You know, I receive a lot of shade in it. I've been doing videos for more than 3 years now. 3 years in the my videos in it. I am the queen of receiving shade. That jaira. Could receive shade? Could receive shade? That jaira. People have called me names. People have done things to me, but I did not expect that from that person. I don't even know exactly what to call her because I've got a lot of words for her. I used to love that girl, or woman, or transgender, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Yesterday, is it yesterday? I posted a video. I think it's the day before yesterday. I decided to speak my mind. I decided to just, you know me, when I'm in the zone, I just come on the camera and I do my thing and I post. People laugh, people get angry, life goes on. In America, this person, of all the people can call me things. People have called me names. I did not expect her in particular to do that to me. Not at all. Not at all. Tatelicious went on I Harare Live. And now I covering at the first 2 lines. In the comment in a shade, I don't really read like the whole thing. I just read the first 2 sentences or the first 3 words. And the not shade, I move on to the next comment. This person had the nerve to tell me inini kukomandanzi iri hurera rinachikoro arigoni anzi arigoni chii ngadzidze from us professionals. Tatelicious, you are trying to teach me on how to be a woman. Really? I think this thing went ku shamari, and somebody went and commented that Gadziro says Tatelicious. I'm like, they want me to learn how to be a woman from Tatelicious. Tatelicious calls me a wure. She chopped off her dick to get dick. She went to that extreme to chop off her dick to get her dick. I know the viral trans. I'm a woman. I'm a whole lot of woman. Achikuriwa nemboro ye pink. Ku Sweden. Kwa ku Switzerland. Ku Sweden. I don't know. Kwa muri uko. Yeah, there. I honestly thought she. You know that gengarunoenda ku overseas kuroshaya kuita arautanga kugokumdidi na muarume kuti achengetwe mukadzi. That's her, okay? That's her. I used to love that girl. She is free spirit. Because I know my transgender friend, who are we to judge? But for you to then be a hypocrite and tell people that I must learn from you. You are a professional. You, Tatelicious, you are a professional. Shamar, ajite. Okay? Ajite. Look at this. You can't buy this, Tatelicious. You can't buy this. You can't. You can't. No, you can't. I know you're going to watch this video. Someone's going to tag you. Someone is going to save this for you. But you can't buy this. You can't. You are not to hormones. And now you're looking all feminine and everything. With all that, since you've got so much education, my friend, with all that nonsense, hormones, you've got the nerve to tell me that I don't have education. Since you're so educated, friend, since you are so educated, Tatelicious, whatever the hell you want to call yourself, since you are so educated, why can you not tell the difference between male and female? Why can you not just use that thing on your gender confusion? You want to call me that I'm not educated. Saka education yako yakakuitira nezvei? Unobuda mbiri yekuti kwanzi une mari iwewe. Une mari uri kudya mari kuSweden, uri kudya mari yemurungu. Uri kukwigwa kumudhidhi uchigohlorwa every day you are involuntary farting murodhum. Huh? Why don't you use that money to get plastic surgery? You with all that feminism, with all that kuzunza magaro pa social media, with all that jazz, you're still fucking ugly. You try too hard to be a woman. It's stupid. Women do not walk the way you do. Women don't talk the way you are. Exaggerated. Okay? I was behind you. Free spirit. This whole let me tell you how I got to know you. Let me tell you how I got to know you. I got to know you because you were receiving so much shade. I receive a lot of shade from people. I receive a fucking lot of shade. I don't mind. But the way you receive shade and the way you were so graceful about it this whole way, I'm not right. So for you to then go on my wall, actually no, on my post, and I posted because I'm admin pa IRR extreme. And you, why would you say that? Ungandidzidzisa from my professionals. What a professional? You're a professional hypocrite. You are a professional phony. You're a professional fake woman. Yes. I'm so disappointed because Tatelicious, I'm mad, guys, because I receive a lot of shade from people. I send a live video in. But for this person to go on extreme and say these things after the support I gave you, I would defend you. I would go on books and go into biology and everything. You chopped off your fucking dick. If you're a professional woman and you know sex and you're so good at sex that much, you of all people should know that black dick is the best. You simply know because murungo wako ushu. Ane mari ndo mari wakavinga iwo zvanetsa kudiaspora uko tiri kuona kudiaspora tinotambura kwambotinzwa chitengesa mata. But you had to go ahead and sell them did and you go, hey, me transgender, hey, LGBT. Come to Harare or come to Johannesburg. Go to Johannesburg. And you come and tell me how to be a woman. I am challenging you, Tatelicious, if you're watching this, or whoever you know is going to watch this. Oh yeah, you blocked me. Yes, you blocked me. But I know it's just Shika. Oh yes, it's just Shika. And I'm first kuararoko. Unonditaurira kuti kwanzi ngochani inodzidzisa mukadzi kuva mukadzi. Honestly, you want to tell me because you grew boobs, you swallowed my hormones, okay? And then you put my implants so that you can look like this. Okay? Inina azvitengwe Tatelicious. Once what? You can buy all the love and the support and all those things that you want to buy from people. You can buy friendship. You can buy whatever the fuck you want to buy. You can't buy this. Okay? You can't buy this. You can't. Okay? Let me be very clear to you. I wish you all the best in whatever the fuck you want to do with your life. But I'm Mary Sora, and they all break loose before you stand in front of people telling them that you are more of a woman than me. And you are a professional in that I don't know shit. Of course I don't know shit, but I've got a camera and I've got a brain and I can say whatever the fuck I want. It's my wall. And this also goes to all the other haters. Post. I don't see Zuva killed someone. Someone went on a post. Is it my PH? I have a PH because it's very typical of PH people. PH people. When there's a girl, I love PH people. Trust me, I love PH people. I've got a lot of friends and lovers there. Then there are some haters. This person I kind of PH akati. After seeing the Tatelicious nonsense, you see Tatelicious wakantangira. Wakundi sumudzira mepo uri Sweden. Kuda kudraw remote control ne life yangu uri Sweden. Someone went and commented akati. Zuva and her sister killed someone. God, look at me. No, Maskana. Do I look like I can kill a person? Honestly, do I look like a person who can kill a person? I don't know. Okay, I want to know how I did it. I am mad as hell because I'm receiving hate from the wrong people. from the wrong people. I can receive hate from strangers. I get it. I understand that. But I cannot receive hate from people that I supported. I stood by you. I stood by you. I stood by you. And this one my comments. I'm trying to check my comments. So I can't see comments. I can see. Oh, here you are. Yeah. Bring on my way. Okay, cool. Yeah, now I can see the comments. There's a lot of things that you can take. Everybody, I know it's okay. People call me hure, people call me attention seeker, people call me all sorts of things. I don't mind. It's okay. I receive the hate. It's okay. It makes me stronger. People like Tatelicious have got no right to fucking stand in front of me and tell me, kuti, you don't know how to be a woman. They must learn from us professionals. She's an amateur. I've been shooting more videos more than you. You and I, I swear to you, I'm going to meet you one day. And I'm going to make sure that because you cannot stand there and tell me that you are more of a woman than me. Unomira pa Facebook. Parents pa ma group which is zunza magarwe. Ane mesi. Ane makwapa. Ane manga foot. And you think you can impress who? Impress who? You can impress those Swedish people. You can impress those white people. You cannot come to Zimbabwe and impress people like us. No, ndetongo kufara zvangu nchiti uri free spirit wakafa uri munhare right, but you don't know wakuga kumtiti kwakudzungaira wakunzi baby too much wafunga kuti uri mukadziwo. No, you are not a woman, friend. You are not a woman, okay? You are a person who used to be a man and now you're gender confused. That is all. What I could one embore pink unofunga nungadza pa ukadziwo. As long as uchingoziva ye pink cheta uzive mborewo. Okay? You don't fucking tell me anything about mbore, especially when you only had pink dick. Unless you've got black dick, and I want to see that black man with the nerve to fuck you. Muzimbabwe. Ndati, uyamna first. Nemagara ako anogara uchisunza pa Facebook ayo. Want to udza kuti nanzi Zuva, you don't know how to be a woman. You must learn from us professional. Kusarowa. My God, I can't even say mataya kofunga una mataya whatever the hell you have there. I don't even know what happened to you. Doctor akakujunga kutanzi with numba. I don't even think that's a real pregnancy. I think that you're just playing this pregnancy out, and then you are going to have you're going to adopt a colored baby. This is what I think. You're going to adopt a colored baby. Not kuti munhu akaswa ma testicles na Mwari, akaswa mboro na Mwari, anobuda vhudzi ane chest semurume ota nhumbu. Who do you think we are? Who do you think we are? Who do you think we are? Shamari, we have watched vanhu vachita surrogates. We have watched fake tummies on screen, live, skinny. Shamari, my artists are wonder. Skinny unchange dumpu. Bet you're not pregnant and you know it. So stop it. Okay, don't you very number a pinky when they chamber a sugar daddy. Because I'm Murumo, posa Murumonga Bascans, but I'm Muruman Batawako. God bless you, so I've got nothing against him. I'm sure he's a very lovely husband. But I'll be damned to make you think that you're not even half of a woman. Do you understand me? Wakaenda ku Sweden, yes. Kunoitwa zvinotaurwa kunobvumidzwa mashura kadaro, no problem. Okay, I'm not judging you if you decide to chop off your dick. And now that you think you've got a hole between your legs, you can tell a person with an actual clit, anima kongo chaye chaye, could let me teach you how to be a woman. Child. No, Facebook guys, vanhu ngavasa pinta Facebook, ngavasa pinta Facebook pachesta pa too much. No, vanhu ngavasa catch my feelings by Facebook too much for you to then come and say all those things to me. I'm hurting because I supported you. Ndikati mungu yuko free spirit muregedze haasi kujasazara kumba kwao haasi kukumbira mari yekugeza kumba kwenyu haasi kuita anything, leave a letter be. Saka I was your supporter as a free spirit that you were. Ndikakuona pese ndichileka ma videos yako. I shared some of your videos and everything. So I know to a certain extent you kind of know me. If you don't, today is your day. You will learn. Inenzi Zuva Habane and itiro mashura kadaro. You got the wrong one today, bitch. Njanza kukubene nkura kushika mwarate eke. Chokwa reshu. Honestly, I'm so disappointed at the fact that you would actually think that I want something from you. Unati hure sina kwenda chikoro. Yo, zvakaenda chikoro chiripi because uri kukwirirwa mari yako. You say that you've got money and you're living the life and all that jazz. Chikoro chiri kupiko. Where is the money? Where's the money that you did with your scholarship and whatever the fuck you're doing? Mangocha nesa anozikana part my mangocha natoziva overseas. Okay? Mungoncha nzatoziva overseas. Dzine mari isingaiti. So for you to go and be married to Ngochani again also, you were just looking for the money. I doubt if there's love there. Honestly, I don't know. I don't think so. Saka iwe wakarorwa nemuna nemari ende Ngochani kana vakataka gay LGBT whatever association of your people. I know you people can give access to money. But kuti ndiri iwe wakafondokera makuseni unomukira makuseni kunotsvaga mari murodhumo kuenda kubasa samwakadzi usavamwe varume sevamwe everybody wouya uchikwanza una mari uyo uchikwanza une mari. I don't think you have ever received a salary in your life, and if you do, you didn't get Ngochani. So you cannot talk shit to Sweden trying to be, hey, I'm LGBT, I'm a proud. Yes, you are proud there, but as long as you want to deal with a fucking Zimbabwean, you have to come to Zimbabwe and deal with me, okay? I want you to unblock me because you're a pussy, you're a coward. You are a coward. I don't give a shit what you think. You're a coward. You fucking look like a veni. Seriously, your skin looks like if eczema were human, you would be. And you've got the nerve, you literally speak like, hello, Zimbabweans, this is Tatelicious, the LGBT people, Zimbabweans in the Taranemi Nasi, all the way from Sweden. I am Tatelicious, bitch! Okay, but you're trying too hard. Women don't even speak like that. They don't even fucking speak like that. I am so fucking tired of you. I'm heartbroken and I'm tired of you. No, seriously, you need to stop. Who fucking speaks? Women speak like the way I'm speaking. They can have a soft voice like the way I'm having a soft voice. They don't fucking speak like this. Zimbabweans, we are all children of God. We are all Zimbabweans in the this pink. Seriously? Kumudidi? Honestly, and then you want to stand in front of us and say you are pregnant. Who is going to buy your story? And then after that, you stand in Mbamako wozunza magaro. And I've done things. You are rumberi. Unozunza magaro pa Facebook. Uchizunzira varume or uzunzira vakadzi. I can't really tell, because in as much as so, what's magara and so genetically modified foods. I don't understand why. I don't understand why. There's no God here. This 2018, there is no God here. I am tired of this girl. She, you know, the fact that I'm still referring to her as a girl simply shows I'm just so upset that you would actually think that we Zimbabweans are okay with you telling us that we should learn how to be a woman from you. Nokuti murungu wako ajwavirigwa newe pambed. Nokuti murungu wako iwe arikuspakwa kwira mkosho wenema kana kuti mata enema yacho inde enema. I'm sorry, it's a constructed pussy. It's not real. I will show you a real pussy if you want to see a real pussy. Do you understand me? Okay? That is not a real pussy. Whatever the fuck that is, it is not a real pussy. Okay? Saka zvanakirwa nezvinhu zvake zvefeki izvozvizvo. Obva afunga kuti mai wenda somwana mukadzi ngauye kuZimbabwe murume wako yeyu tinyatsomutadza kuti inonzi matachi. Do you understand me? Then maybe you and I can talk, because as long as you don't have these and you don't have this, you can't say anything to me, Tatelicious. I am not educated, so you say no problem. I know this. I say one thing I know for sure is how to be a woman. Understand that, okay? You have no right to say what you said, but you said it anyway. I'm no longer a fan. You are just a freak to me, a freak of nature. We are too judgmental on this soul, this free spirit. We are too judgmental on this free soul. No. Oh! Hey, after everything, and maybe you don't know me. I'm just a silent big fan of yours, but after everything, you want to tell me how to be a woman? You don't even have a pussy. Gomba kuzasuku. Une gomba kuzasu rakavugwa. ndobva inodzi zvemamedisejari what ndobva ravhugwa kuzasuko ndobva you don't even have a clitoris, you don't even have a G-spot there. Your G-spot is not there. If you think it was there, it is not there. Okay, if you had that chopping off your dick, une gomba auna mata chayo auna matinjere. No, I'm very curious. I want to see, do you have matinji? If they did, how did they construct them? Because one thing I know for sure, you had balls. I know how they'd remove the penis and open, slice up the testicles and push them inside, and then voila, there's a private part. They have a clitoris. Une clitoris. I want to know une binzi. Une binzi. I'm serious, Tatelicious. I want to know une binzi. Because you wouldn't be this angry. Une binzi. Une binzi. Ndapinda 2018 zvakanaka only for you to go down Tangani. You got the wrong one today. And you know what I may not worry on I honestly don't know. I want to know can I take you see what happens to cheap lipstick? 100 rand for this nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? Kuti titosiyana nezvenyaya lipstick. Tiri panyaya panapa tiri pa 2018. Tichasvika kana pa na 7 o'clock tichingotaura no problem. Let me wipe off this cheap lipstick. Yes. Welcome viewers. Tiripanapa, I want to chop up nyaya ya Tatelicious. Akakonzera kuti ndiende pa PH vana utanga ndipuma umonde. Me? Do I look like a person who killed a person? Honestly, no, tore nguva. Maybe musunyazo ndiona zvakanaka masema. Rikandise, maybe you can see me here. Yes. Rikandiyatso zvigadzira zvakanaka kuti munyatso ndiona. Zvandinenge ndiripo one mazimba. Chione kuti small so. Mukaka haga mukaka. Makumba acho anenge mastock sweets but aripo. Totally Burkina Faso. No man, ona price rangu. Price resale. Tatelicious, you can't buy this, my friend. Okay? You think you can, but you can't buy this. You can't buy this. You can't. This is what it means to be a woman. Alongside other, we'll talk about intelligence and emotional and whatnot, but physically, beans, iri up. What I'm going to tell you, you think that you're all that. No, take a very good look, Tatelicious. This is what you call a woman. Kana uchipenda zvandachibota uchinditi kwanza azive kuti say rekanchikutedza what I meant maybe pandakadaisa ruoko ngo siri kuona zvakanaka. And the other thing is I honestly think that you watched a short clip. The full video is on Zuva Habane on YouTube. Feel free to go there. Ndanganchare zvenyaya kudai so. Dichiti you go down like this. Amen kana muchiona? Amen. Dichiti you go down like this. Dichiti chipfuva chinofana kunge chiri pasi. Chipfuva chako chinofana kunge chiri pasi. And then you go down. Okay? And the thing is, right now, there's no one to shoot the video for me. Let me try and see if I can do it. Nothing to do. Tuchanga 2018 with a bang. Nothing to do. Tatelicious, this is what I meant. Okay? Kuti kana mnaru kwanenga achiona kadaiso. This is what I meant. Saka na chimbi zati you are professional uzivi. This is what I meant. But you can do that because you have an anus. Okay, no problem. You have an anus. You can do that. That is not true. If that is not true, then what is? Asinti mimi ndimewa ni mimika munenge munokwira vanhu so. Munokwira vanhu so. Mukura vanhu makadaiso imi. Muchenzi. Ndimi, you are the traitors. Instead of doing this, so, Miss Tatelicious, what do you think? I want you to watch this. ndaresha here mubhedha uyu uripo ndokuvhurira makumbo ndise zvinhu kana uchirova chikapa nourova sei iyi kapeti iripo tonyatsorova futi chikapa chitakatarisana. I'm challenging you kana uchiona kuti unogona basa stereki. Show me your binzi, show me your hazards. You can even do hazards. Unaweza kuwa kwatogara chitaura zvatogara chitaura zvazvazve gara zvandine doro. We speak of Danette. We speak of my hazards kuti kana murume apinda mukati anenge akadaiso. Kana murume apinda mukati, your vagina should be able to go ichimubata ichimudzvinya like this. Those are vaginal muscles. Those are called cervical muscles. Okay, mese munomaziva mahazards. Tese tumaziva zvataurwa naSeva. I love that girl. Aitano zvingeti murume achipinda unomuswinya so kana achibuda unomudhonza so kuti asabudi utangombo wakamudzipa mboro so nema kegels ako nema pelvic muscles ako. Nice, Tatelicious. Munozvizivawo. Do you have muscles in your hole? Munema muscles mvagina. Amuna handidi. Saka, what do you mean you're going to teach me on how to be a woman? With that big mouth of his, I highly doubt. Kana murume chonza kuvhara kudaso. Andifuni kana kuchikwana kuvhara kudaro. Because you talk too much. I've seen your tongue and it's thick. And urikuniza kanzi wenyewe ndakambokunza nzanzi kana uchipa murume wako oral sex unofana kudai. Bitch, you fucking use your tongue and your throat. If it is not your tongue and your throat, don't try it, my friend. Don't try it. It is I understand you people eat fake things. I understand you people tell each other fake things. You buy love, you buy affection. Everything about you people is bought. I get that. Right? But you cannot come and tell a real woman, born a woman, made from God. And I came here and I'm going to be called names. Attention seeker. All these things that you're going to call me. Okay? But one thing I'm not is a fake. I'm not a fake like you. Do you understand me? You got the wrong one today, but you got the wrong one. My advice to you, my friend, get fucking plastic surgery. No, serious, get plastic surgery. Okay? I can't talk about a lot of things, but I say what I see. You think you dress, bitch, you don't dress shit. I will peg you, I'll peg in any footy. Okay? Facebook pictures, you might compare my Facebook pictures as some of you are going to do after this. No problem. I think I'll vura wardrobe yangu, movura wardrobe, Tatelicious, mukadzi ndiani. Tatelicious no fake braces and no fake braces and. No, I'm serious. I want to know what your silicone cup is. Because that's what you have, silicone and hormones. You are high from your hormones. And you think you can come and tell me nonsense. Sorry, je nyuma zimba. Tatelicious ka mkosho wako ufunge. Mkosho wako ufunge, sorry. Sorry, Mazimba, you guys have to be exposed to this nonsense. I'm very sorry. You guys have to be exposed to this nonsense. But this gender-confused bitch, I know when they pink, she's on top of the game, cannot come and tell me on how to be a woman. If she wants to be professional and she wants to label herself professional and their followers and their lovers, she's a free spirit. I know I can't take that away from her. She's a free spirit. I get that. I can't take that away from her. But she cannot come on my shit and talk shit because I've never gone on her shit. I've only defended her. I've shared her posts. I enjoyed watching her until she called me. She doesn't know how to be a woman. From us professionals. What did those people, those followers of yours have stroked your ego so big, so bad that you actually think that you are a woman? Nigga, you are not shit. You are not shit. You are a man without a dick. That is what you are. Okay? I feel sorry for your husband. I've got nothing to say against your husband. I don't want to go there because I see me Buddhist. Ngochani, Wiza, whatever the fuck you want to call yourself. Leave me and my madness alone. Okay? Mandir once and my feelings. I'm on filling station right now because of you. I would never ever reply anyone for talking shit about me. People talk shit about me every day. I'm not worried about them. I'm worried about people like you, my hypocrites. I loved you. And now, I'm ready to hit a live video every single day. Kuska moyo wangu ti eke. Okay? Have a prosperous 2018, and I hope you get high and you get cancer from those hormones. I hope your dick falls off. Do you understand me? I really hope. No. You don't have a dick. I hope your dick grows back because you don't want it. You chopped off your dick. You chopped off your dick to get dick. And who's the word now? In Indian matter one. One you have got, I don't know, whatever you have down there is none of my business. Okay, if you want to get fucked in the ass, do it. If you want to get fucked, do it. But you will not call me half a woman. You're not even half a woman. You're just a man without a dick, boobs and all that. Just fuck you. Okay. If you want to be happy and be married to your husband, and bitch, be happy. Bitch, drink your hormones. Bitch, get pregnant. Bitch, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Stay out of my lane. That's what I'm saying. Once more. Facebook and play housewife and all. Do you? I don't care. This is you. It's your fucking life. Okay? And I'm saying I better video and Tatelicious that. I never even touched you and your situation. I never. So for you to come on my wall, you are me, it's my wall. Because if I'm a Harari extreme and I'm admin and I'm a very big fan of that page, that's my wall. For you to come on my wall and talk shit, because you're supposed to be a free spirit, carefree, who doesn't care what the next person does. That's what you are. That's what I think you are. So why are you coming on my wall and talking shit? Then you can't go on bed. So what do you have? Mkosho wako ufunge Tatelicious. Mkosho wako ufunge. Ndapedza. Ndikanchipinda mu comments. Ndaneta zvokuti moza ndaneta kuchururuka ziya kudai pamusana paTatelicious. Kozoti vanhu vanga vachikwanzi Zuva killed someone. Name. Who did I kill? I know you're my post because by the time I got online and they had taken down the post. I think the lady told me she's gonna take down the post and all that jazz. Because what you said, I killed a person and my sister and I killed a person. Why? Why would we want to kill a person? Why? Who? If anybody's watching this, and I swear to you, I'm not blocking anyone anymore. I'm not. I want to know the truth. Tell me the truth of what you people know. You say that I killed a person. Why am I not in jail? Ndakata uroi. Kuna waroi vakanaka here kudai vasikana. Kuna waroi vane glowing skin yakanaka kudai so. I don't think so. Ndoroera munhu ndomureri. Because I know how to fucking hustle for my own 2 cents. Saka ndo kuna waroi vakanaka kudai. No. Hakuna waroi vakanaka so. I don't think ndorori. Ndakamirira my comments. I want to see the comments. Hanzi, what happened? Call me. KC. We are chopping and slicing this Zuva thing here. Tatanga taringa Tatelicious ndapedza ndamutaridza kuti Tatelicious. I think I'm okay with what I know as a woman. I don't need lessons from you. Okay? If you want to do your lessons and teach those women that you want to teach. I want to now talk about mapeche aita antanga puta Congo dust nezulu. I don't know what you people said. But I want to know because apparently it was a big thing that I killed someone back in the years. I want to know. I really want to know. I want to know. No, tell me. I'm looking for the comments. I can't find anything. So it means that you guys were just talking shit. Yes? Okay. Let me go offline now. I'm sure I've said what I wanted to say. Mangwana ndopenda live foot because I know my inbox is going to be blowing up. Ndoda kubvunza nezvenye kuti Zuva killed a person. Me? Do I look like a murderer? Mame wana no mboy mondi dzakanaka kude. Handifunga na kune mondi dzakanaka kude. I don't think so. Magara yemondi era. Magara yemondi era. Mikaka yemondi ere. Makasema ukanga ore ya muni waya. Excuse me, Gendra, Casey. I'm not gonna call you. Okay. All those people okay, how do I invite people? I don't know how you're gonna invite people. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how you're gonna invite people. But all I can tell you right now, I predicted this drama on my Facebook, Tatelicious. Oh yeah, you bet you got drama going on. if let me tell you how this is going to turn out. She's going to either man up. She's going to either man up and be the bigger man and let this go and ignore, or people are going to stroke her ego and then she's going to make her life. I want to be on that live video, but she blocked me after I told her that you are a hypocrite. She blocked me. She is a hypocrite. She's not a free spirit, that one, because free spirits shouldn't care when other free spirits do what they do. I would like to think myself as a free spirit. I am, and it's true, I am a free spirit. So for her to then call me out and do what she did, she might have been called out by other people. And said, I've only behaved myself. She said, this is shade. People throw shade at me. People call me things. I don't mind, because that's Zimbos for you. Anybody who speaks their mind, you I get that. Trust me, I do get that. But for Tatelicious, Ngochan emandoro kwat first grade Ngochan akagura murume wake kuisa gomba akutabazira kugwa kumdidi nemboro ze pink akwenda pa Facebook akusunza magaro vanhu vakumfarira, and then she comes on Facebook and talks like this now, Zimbabweans and all those Zimbabweans that are watching me, thank you for the support. If she comes and talks like that and people like her, yay, let them like her, fine. Okay, but she has no right to stand kuudza hadzi hagam kak yakaita seniso kuti kwanzi yanzi you don't know how to be a woman, learn from us professional. You're a professional what? What are you a professional? I'm a professional woman. Okay, and I've had experience more than 10,000 hours. For you to be a professional at something, or for you to master something, you would have done it for more than 10,000 hours. And I've had this body for more than 10,000 hours, so I can say I'm a master at being a woman. You don't have ovaries. You don't have a cervix. You don't have lava. You don't have a clitoris. You don't. You have a hole and an anus. That is what you have. And you drink hormones that make you think that you are a woman. Yes, you drink hormones every fucking morning. You drink hormones that make you think you're a woman. And you've got a white man that is yakking, blabbing shit about you. No, blabbing shit in your ears, telling you, baby, I like you, I love you very much. And you've got your Facebook following. You know who's out. You're a very good person. What, you know how to be a woman. I love you, you're more than a woman. You're more of a woman than any other woman that I've ever met. You've got all these people telling you all these things every day, and they build your ego, right? You've got your books, you've got your colleagues, you've got your LGBT BDD group of whatever it is that you people have. You've got your husband, you've got your Facebook people, you've got a bunch of people telling you things in your head, telling you that what you are doing is right. Keep going. You're a free spirit. You are happy. And yes, and it has become your reality. Yes, good for you. Come to Zimbabwe and tell me, come to Zimbabwe, call me Tente First, and call everyone else and say, I am a transgender woman from Zimbabwe. Hello, Zimbabweans. I come from Sweden. I am a happily married, no stress, rich woman. I don't have a penis, but I have a constructed vagina. Saka I'm here on First Street. Kudzidzisa Zuva, how to be a woman. First lesson, come and do that. Come and do it, because if I come here, okay, anyone can say anything, okay? I will come. This is how I speak. This is how the fuck I speak. I speak like this, okay? But you, I think you speak like a man. I really think that you speak like a man. But because of this thing, you know, women do things extra. Women walk around they're extra. They're too much. They're not even. You try too hard to be a woman, my friend. You try too hard. And I can see it. No woman speaks like this, my Zimbabweans, okay? Nobody speaks like that, okay? Oh, except you, of course. Except you, of course. I will not be part of your shenanigans. Okay? I hope you watch this. If you don't, hey, it's your loss, because I was teaching people how to be a woman. Huh? magara emunhu anouraya munhu magara emhondera ene imi vasikana vanomanyira kuti kwanzi zuva imhondi iye nasisi vake vakauraya munhu. Ndakaseka unoziva kuti it's one thing kunzi zuva akabvisa mimba zuva akaba murume yemunhu vakanodyisa chichi. You know those lies that run around Zimbabweans. I get that. I understand that. But I killed a person. Tatelicious, one more round for you, my friend. Never chango pinda. But then this is not for you, really. I'm so sorry that you guys are being exposed to this nonsense. Okay? I'm so sorry that you guys are being exposed. You guys don't deserve this. I love you. You're my friends. I'm very sorry that you're being exposed to this nonsense. But if push comes to shove, desperate times call for desperate measures. Okay? Uyu mukadzi uyu ari challenge out because I don't know how to be a woman. And I'm an amateur. And I must learn from her, a professional. Oh. Okay. I am a girl. Okay? Unonzi munda, unonzi zano PF, kana unonzi praz, unonzi big part, unonzi ruling part. Kana unawo Tatelicious, waka matenga, ekupfekerani masilicone aya, wakajungwa majackson, kana kuti unomwa mahormones. Okay? Akakadumba, kanonzi pushing for the cushion. Okay? Kari bostere kadumbika kaka cushion, musaitomboka jairira vanhu vakadzi vakaonda vakakamaka kadumbika kuti kwanzi une dumbu kadumbuka ndori boy kakabvunza varume kuti basa rako ndekei. Kana usingazive basa rako kana kaka. Okay, but bvunzai inini uzive kuti basa racho nderei. Uyu mukaka is another story. Ndoda kutaura nezvenyaya apapa because muvideo yangu yakaataka yacho yoyo she said that I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, ndoda kuti mundiudze kuti ndakanganisa here. Miri rangu riri padhuze. Kana ndakadai makumbo akavhurika ndakadai such that back yangu ikudzika shida so ukadera mvura panofana mvura inofana kuyerera kudai so. Ndaresha here Tatelicious. Ndaresha. Kana ndaresha ndine urombo. Shit happens. But stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, okay? You got the wrong one today. Ini ndinoziva ndinokwana. Manondiziva ndinokwana. I'm a very, very friendly person. I spread love. I write stories. I do videos. Vachawana ma videos angu vakawanda mchafunga kuti zvone pamwe mukadzi anopenga or anything. That's what I do in my spare time. Ndiri pa holiday. Okay? Basa rangu, everybody knows what my real job is. My 9 to 5 is I have a 9 to 5. Everybody knows this. Okay? Everyone who knows me knows kuti zuva ntabasa rekudedede anofamba achienda overseas achita zvanoita. Fine. Saka don't think kuti ndakamirira panapa kuteya mari dzevarume vana Tatelicious. I'll be damned if I let a pink dick inside me. Handikuwe nekamboyo ke pink ini, mamboyo pink haite. Mboyo ye pink haite. No offense to all my black sisters dating white guys. No offense to all my white friends dating whatever. Okay? This goes to this particular woman. I was a fan of that girl. I still call her a girl. I was a fan of that girl. But I'm having a breakdown right now. Pamsana pake. You know when you love someone, when you stand behind someone, that's what I did. I stood behind her. She doesn't even know me, I bet you. But I'm just one of those people that anyone who gets attacked on social media, I jump in and say, guys, let it be. Free spirit. The only person that I did not support Ranka Cheetah was Olinda. That's the only person when I can attack her on Facebook to stop doing that, because I actually thought kuti imbakecha mira usada rugumurume and all that jazz. I still stand by my word, right? She wasn't supposed to do that, but then she did. That is the only person I actually attacked. Kuti na Olinda usada. That's it. I told her, Shama, instead of you breaking down on Facebook and doing all these things, chill, bitch. Don't worry about things like that. You shoot a queen. I was trying to push her and encourage her. Some people say it is an attack, but anyway, that is the only person. Everyone else who gets attacked on Facebook, everyone else, Madam Boss, I push and I say, let them express themselves. These are free spirits. I always say this. Right? But you then don't have the right. Champion. She must learn from me. Wadena mago in a clitoris. Wadena mago in a beans. Wadena mago in a yechokwadi. Wadena mago mukadzi chai ane ash. I will not do this again. Sorry for you, Mazimba. Ndimema woneswa mashuraya. Nanita absingaiti. 2008. No, I'm tired of my haters. Nonsense chat. I'm coming after you. Anzi ndakagadzirwa size na Tatelicious. Maybe ndakagadzirwa size. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. I think I can gadzirwa size. She got what? About 53 likes on that status, whatever. Fine. I'm challenging you, Tatelicious. Do your maths. Do your research. Call Zuva's haters. Call everyone. Call those ones who accused me of murder. Call them. Get shit on me. And do. If you don't have time, you're probably you're sucking pink dick for money. That's what you're doing. Vaka wanda wana budyo vatunoziva vaka cross a border panapa vakuya kuno maruwa neshara mabasa apera akatangocha nikuti zvifai. And I think you're one of them. Whether you were LGBT, whatever, DD, kuno Zimbabwe kasotisa nyadza mugabe, or whether you what, I don't know. Child, I don't know. I don't know. But one thing I know for sure is that you're a man without a dick. That is what you are. If you want to be happily married and have a good life with your husband and that child of yours and all, do you, boo-boo? Do you? I'll be happy for you. Just fucking stay out of my lane. Stay in your lane. Get your followers. Do whatever you want to do. Just zunza. Oh my God, I saw this video. I think it's hideous. It's painful to watch. But she wants to do that. Do you understand me? I'm magara mezi. I zoomed in on the videos of fucking magara kane mezi. In magara hangu ane stretch marks. Chete ndozo roho anaba megen kakuvurira. Murikwana ku behind this black. You see it behind this black. Pane stretch marks. Hapana mezi. Okay? Hapana mezi. Ende ukadaiso za America. Here. I'm not trying to shoot up porn or anything like most of people are going to say when I shoot up porn. If you don't see a titty, it doesn't count. You see behind this, ndika visa brai, runote, runodona ndo zamu, richo kwadi. Zamu re kutuka visa, rona rakati kui, raka omoti gwa, rakatonge plastic rakati. And this kuti rinodofana kudona kusvika muchiuno. Ayo. Rengera damba karoro. But arufana kungotaridza kuti rabuda mbrambi chana arufana kungo mbichana. Akakoma kuti gwa akati. Garakati. Ukarirova rinoti. You are not half of me. When it comes to being a woman. Aunakirani neniyo indine record. Kanda peza nyengo zangu zisendo watikisa paper kuti mark up out of 1 to 10 chi ndo vamakisa. Saka ndinaro bepa rangu ndine body runa body. All my clients write their stuff there. Yo nemurume 1 ndopeka pari kungokuchera mari anditi ndopaone mugodi ndopari kuchera mugodi anditi yes if you want to stick to that mboyo ye pink no problem get that pink mboyo in your anus gohlokwa. You know that black men can fuck better than white men. That is a fact. That is a given fact. Like it's an actual fact. So for you who don't even mboyo ye pink, the only difference between that mboyo ye pink and other mboyo is that mboyo ye pink has got 2 cents more than others. Okay? If you're gonna get a man, get a hunk. Chereri murungu, get a hunk. Wakachaga sugar deal. Okay? That's what you did. You do not impress me. Aish. You can do not bigger than wangu zvangu inini tanga kubika dinner. Yeah, kwakuvira kasaka takutanga kuburitsa nyama pa fridge. Have a nice day, Zimbabweans. Thank you very much. I'm sorry that you had to see my meltdown on Facebook. I will apologize over and over again. But this bitch got the wrong one today. I challenge you, Tatelicious. Reply me, who won't do kuita say. Bye bye.